The next menu is View tab. This is where you customize your layout and control what's visible on the screen. So the first thing is Active Command Palettes. This is powerful search bar for running any command you want. It is just like a shortcut. Control Shift C. Just click here and you can search any command. Let's say we are writing new notebook, and there we go. It's just quickly open new notebook. So this Control Shift C is quite really useful thing. Now let's get back to this view again. Then we have options like Jupyter Lab and File Browser. When you click Jupyter Lab, it will switch you to the advanced Jupyter Lab interface. Right, this is Jupyter Lab interface. Now let's close and go back to our Jupyter Notebook. This is File Browser. When you click this, it will open the file browser from where you can browse all your files. Close this thing and again open this view menu. Use this show header to hide or show the notebook title area. Show header, again show header. And then again important thing is toggle Zen mode. When you click this Zen mode, you will be entering into the distraction free coding area. It hides all the extra panels around your code. When you press escape, you will again be converted into normal screen. Toggle Zen mode. Control Shift K is the shortcut key. Enable full width notebook. It will just increase the width of notebook. Then there is table of content. When you click table of content, it will show all your headings in handy sidebar. This is very helpful for long notebooks. This is our main heading, subheading, and like this. And then after there is debugger panel. If you are debugging the code, then you can use this debugger panel to trace variables and track your codes step by step. Then again go back to view menu. Now then there is show line numbers. When you are working with long codes, you can select show line numbers. And then it's gone. Then after we have collapse selected code or collapse selected output. You can collapse them all at once or one by one. Then it is expand selected code or expand selected output. You can do it individually or all at once. Now if you want to see both the code and the preview at the same time, that you can do using this render side by side. When you click this is your code and this is the output of that code. It is called render side by side. Now we are going to close this as well as close this. Now there is text editor syntax highlight. This is very helpful when you are editing files in other programming languages, right? And the options are available over here. And now this right sidebar, show debugger or show notebook tools. On left hand side, show table of contents. So what you want to see on right side or on left side, that you can see from here. So this is our view menu. Now based on this view menu, there is a quick short question for you. And the question is this: what does the Zen mode do in Jupyter Notebook? Your options are this: hide toolbars and panels for distraction-free coding, run all the code cells silently, switch to the dark theme, and convert Markdown into code. Think over it and write your answer into the comment section. Once you are done with that, now let's move to the next section.